I mean, are you kidding? It's the best story, it's the best cast, it's the best producers and everything, the best directors. We've had such a great time, and the book is amazing. So I'm just lucky to be a part of it. So I play Eva Stratt, and she is helping Dr. Ryland Grace to understand what he's capable of, let's put it that way. And she's responsible for sending him to space after another plan isn't working out. What can I tell you that you don't know yet? It's really wonderful. He's a great collaborator. He's a great inventor. He's a wonderful human being, very warm, very cooperative, and yeah, it's just the best. I think it's a film for everybody. It's like for now you can go in there with all your family and you will have a wonderful experience with all the feelings that a human is capable of. You will laugh, you will cry, you will want them to stay. You don't want to leave these people, actually, and all the other creatures that are in it. The film in 3 words? That's impossible. Can't do it. It's it's very rich. I mean, it's a space movie, but at the same time, it's a movie about what makes humanity human, and about connection and collaboration and what we can achieve if we really try. But not in a miraculous way, but in a really practical way. And I think it's a film that is very appropriate for the times that we live in.